So this week we're going to start a new module called Problem Solving with Length, Money, and Data. And the first lesson is about data. So I'll go over the problem set with you guys and I'll do a couple problems since it's the first one. So number one, count, categorize each picture to complete the table with tally marks. The first category is no legs. So you look at the pictures, find something that has no legs like the snake and cross it off so you make sure you don't use it again. And draw a tally. Another one would be the snail. Alright, and then 2 legs when you're sure there's no more with no legs. So I see 3 that have 2 legs. And then you would just fill it in for the 4 legs. Question 2, the same thing, but it's fur and feathers. So if it has fur, you'll cross it off and put a tally. Okay, so something you want to make sure you know here is that this represents 5. And this is 1. Students should know that because we've gone over it when we count the days in school. Other questions that go along with 3, how many animals have habitats on grasslands and wetlands? So that will set it up. Grasslands is 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And wetlands means we're going to add 14 plus 5. Okay, so we'll get the answer 19. How many fewer animals have forest habitats than grassland habitats? Students should see this and realize that we're going to subtract. So we'll take grasslands, which is 14, we said. And subtract forest, which is 6. On the next problem set page, we have the same type of table, except this time it's numbers, not tallies. So you'll just go ahead and answer these questions. There are going to be other tricky ones. Like E, if 5 more birds and 2 more reptiles were added to the table, how many fewer reptiles would there be than birds? This is a 2-step problem. You'll have to add these first and then subtract. And on the homework, it's more the same from the problem set. You count and categorize each picture to complete the table with tally marks. For 1 and 2 with fur and feathers again. Number 3, it's the question with the chart with numbers. Q1's part D is like a 3-part question. How many more animals would need to be in the grasslands category to have the same number as the Arctic and forest categories combined? And number 4 is the chart. So since this is a new module, please reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.